seems uncertain. I wish it was foregone to know the version that made life go wrong. Wish I had a clue what rearranged our molecules. Mostly wondering, it seems uncertain. It seems uncertain, yeah. It seems uncertain.